Alright, this is a Casablanca Cambridge, or Cambridge as some people like to say it as, from 1987. Lovely K4 light fixture, antique white blades, nothing special about them, just standard antique white with, I believe, hexagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hexagonal shades. These are crystal too. I don't think they're Casa, but they are crystal. There's a crack in that one, I just now noticed. That's not good. So, this came to me from Northern Virginia Marketplace. I have the control kind of ghetto rigged, and it's hanging right here. This is pretty good here, this angle here. So this is early RMM2. If you turn the power on, the lights automatically come on. And if you do that, it'll start doing flick. Very early RMM2 fans had this. But anyway, we'll see if we can do demo mode. That's as dim as the lights will go. There's full brightness. Start on speed 1. So the Cambridge, I believe, was introduced in, I want to say 1982 or 3. It was essentially just a smaller Victorian. That's all that it is. But it's weird that it didn't have a ornate switch cap. It's kind of weird how that works out, because the faceplate's ornate, but the switch cap is not. Put my hand to the thing here. Apologies. I don't know where my tripod is, so I'm gonna have to make do with this. So these boards, the early RMM2 boards, were very, very flaky, not good boards. They love to crap out. I've had like 2 or 3 of them crap out on me. This one's getting close. High speed. If the fans are not running for a long time prior to going on high speed, it'll actually stop running and the lights will come on. It's very, very weird. Speed 3. Speed 4. So yeah, it was introduced in, I think, 83. 1 year of Slumber Quiet, and then obviously in 84 they switched to IntelliTouch. And then these were discontinued in 89. They were 4 and 5 blades for 2 years. These are not very common fans. A lot of other fans sold better than them, like the Lady Delta sold a lot better than these. Four Seasons sold a hell of a lot better than these. Go ahead and do speed 5. Sometimes it will stop running on speed 5, but it's not often. It almost always does stop running on high speed, speed 6, but only if the fan hasn't been running for a long time previously, like I said. So that's how you know the board is going. I just don't know what's going on it. That's why IntelliTouch is very, very weird. I don't like RMM4 because it's only compatible with W32s, and I don't like those switches. But those are definitely the best ones in terms of reliability. That was introduced in, I believe, 1996, 1995. I think, yeah, one RMM1 was 84 to 87, 2 was 87 to 93, and 3 was 93 to 96. And there is an RMM5, I just don't know when that was introduced. Go ahead and do speed 6 and hope it doesn't turn off. Looks really, really nice with the lights on. Alright, and there is a Casablanca Cambridge from 1987. Hope you enjoyed.